All right, so this here is a little overview of a new tool we're using, courtesy of one of my mentees here, called the LinqApp, LinqApp.com, as you can see on the screen in a couple different places. This is a super cool tool. It does a couple of things. One, it comes as a credit card looking device that has a technology that allows you to scan it. You can scan it with a QR code or just keep it in your wallet or purse or your bag. Go to an event, maybe insure your contact instead of a business card, but it is a green version, digital version of a business card. So maybe I'll just have it in my wallet, hold a cell phone above it. It'll open up on their phone and populate for them to click on these links that you see here, social media, find my dream home, which just goes to my website to search for homes, leave a review on Google, or take a look at my Google business page. A couple different things in here, see a little bit more about who I am. So a couple of uses of this is going to a convention in person. No one really saves business card information. It gets hucked at the end of the day. So this allows, with one click, just in the moment, for them to save your contact information and forever have you in their phone. Connect with you on Facebook and Instagram. I got about 20 new contacts in 2 days at a virtual business summit during a little speed dating business introduction networking event. So pretty cool tool here. Again, it's all modular, so you choose what you put in here. I chose the logos, choose the text, choose the link it goes to, choose your photo, your location. This is where they would click to save my contact in their phone, Android or Apple. Personal bio written in, and then some photos. I choose to put personal and business, a mixture of both, so people can see who I am, connect with me if they have some similar interests and hobbies. Free home value report for a seller, and then of course a link for any realtors looking to join eXp Realty or get some more information on what it would be like to work with us here. Pretty cool tool. Again, it's just a one-time upfront fee. You can actually sign up to be an ambassador, so if you have some friends that might be interested in it, sign up, send the link to them. You'll get a little bit of a residual from them, which will just ultimately cover your upfront cost. Very cool though. So Instagram to my personal business and personal Facebook pages. Review me on Google. Again, save and download, very easy. Personal bio, whatever you want it to be, however short or long. Choose photos. You can add captions and links to them. All of this is movable, modular. You choose the order. So just want to share this with you. Definitely go take a look at Linq, L-I-N-Q, app, A-P-P. So linqapp.com. Feel free to reach out if you want me to send you a link. Very cool tool. You should be using this. We're sending it to our leads on Facebook, people that we're chatting with. We're sending it to people via email so that they can save our contacts, both personal and business numbers, the numbers in our client management systems, which change. It allows it to just show up in their phone. And then, of course, an easy way to request reviews from realtors that you're working with on the other end of a transaction, clients, friends, family, you name it. So check it out. I hope you enjoy. Hope it brings you some business. And welcome to modern real estate and modern business, where we get rid of the physical business card.